Welcome back to the channel. If you want to see the 2 ways that I currently use aloe vera gel in assisting with strengthening and growing my hair, keep watching. About a month ago, I did a video showing you guys my full wash day routine, and of course I use aloe vera gel. So I decided to do a video just on the process because I actually use aloe vera gel 2 different ways, and aloe vera gel has really changed the game for me ever since I started using it a few months ago. So this first method that I use to apply my aloe vera gel is I actually apply the leaf to my scalp directly. I cut the aloe vera leaf into medium-sized chunks, I would say, and then once I cut off the prickly ends, then I slice it down the middle, and then we are ready to apply it. Aloe vera gel is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells to the scalp. Proteolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles, which promote regrowth of hair. Aloe vera reduces dandruff, also acts as a great conditioner, as you guys can see, and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. I've really noticed a huge difference in my hair's health, my scalp, since I started using aloe vera a few months ago, and I really believe it is helping with my hair growth. So eventually the leaf, you run out of aloe vera juice or gel, so you have to go ahead and reactivate it, I guess. So I just take the teeth from my rat tail comb, and then I just puncture the gel itself, and then you'll see, look at all that juice. It's a lot. So, I mean, to me, this is fun. I don't know, I like doing it this way. I know a lot of people, they actually scoop out the aloe vera gel and they blend it up. And I just feel like that's a lot of work. I mean, I will try to do it one day, but that day just ain't today. So as of right now, I'm going to keep doing it this way when I apply it to the full length of my hair. Y'all see, look, your girl got the inches. They are here and they are here to stay. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I detangle my hair, because my hair was not detangled when I applied this. So again, just showing you how it is a great conditioner to your hair. I just put it into 4 sections, apply it to each one of the twists again, and then that's it. I just let it sit on my hair for about a half an hour, and then I wash it out. And I just want to show you guys what the leaf looks like and how much I used of it. I don't know. You let me know in the comments what you think, if I'm wasting the leaf, but I don't think I do. So let's jump into the second method, because this method will require some additional ingredients, because we'll be making aloe vera oil. Neem oil stimulates hair growth, and it's even been known to treat head lice. Hemp seed oil also stimulates hair growth while moisturizing and strengthening the hair. While using hemp seed oil, hair will experience less water loss, which will help keep the scalp from dehydrating. Rosemary helps and treats dandruff and dry scalp. Avocado oil is one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair rather than sitting on top and coating your hair. Grapeseed oil, which I absolutely love, is a lightweight oil that moisturizes and conditions without weighing down your hair and making it too oily. We're starting with the aloe vera leaf, and we're going to cut the leaf into very thin slices. After we cut those slices up, then I'm going to make sure that I wrap up the leaf with some saran wrap, and then I'll place the leaf in the refrigerator to use at a later time. So we're going to take the mason jar that I have and cut up the fresh rosemary into little pieces. And I actually only use 1 rosemary leaf. Then we're going to go ahead and put in all of the aloe vera slices inside of the mason jar and kind of just shake it around with the rosemary. After that, we're going to go in with avocado oil. and we'll use 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then we'll go in with grapeseed oil, and we're going to also use 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Actually, I think I might have used 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, but you can use 2 or 3. It's perfectly fine. So now we're going to do the double boiler method. So I'm going to let it infuse on the stove, boiling for about a half an hour. And then, of course, I do come back and check it frequently. After a half an hour, you will turn off the heat and allow the jar to cool down. And then you can see that the oil has like a little yellow greenish color to it. You're ready to strain it now. So very, very easy process to strain because it really isn't any really tiny particles. So I just, of course, just press and mash out all of that wonderful infused oil that we're getting ready to use. And then now we're going to go in with our hemp seed oil. We'll use 1 drop of the hemp seed oil or 1 dropper, and I'll go in with the neem oil, also using 1 drop of the neem oil. And then I use lemon essential oil because it smells very earthy, and I just feel like the lemon smells clean, and I don't like lavender. I'm not a fan of lavender. So I use 10 drops of the essential lemon oil, and then I just mix. Let me know if you guys like lemon essential oil because I love it. Then I use an old hair oil bottle, and I put my oil in this particular container. I really like it because it has a dropper that I can use. So again, this is just something that I had lying around the house. I didn't have any more oil in it. Now it is time to apply it to my hair. As you can see, my hair is done. It's dry, but I do apply this at least 3 times a week. And again, since the oil is very lightweight, it does not weigh down your hair at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my scalp. And that is pretty much it. Let me know if you guys are going to try out this oil mixture. I promise you, you will have really great results because this is going to help stimulate hair growth for you. Of course, you just massage it in. It isn't a really long process to make the oil, and it actually isn't a long process to apply it. And you just go on about your day. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to put my little part in like I always do. And I am done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as my next video drops. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.